Thomas Weather.
The Rich Thomas Weather Network, brought to you by these fine sponsors. Hear Rich's forecast hourly on these Blue Water Broadcasting radio stations.
Hey, good morning, everybody. Rich here on this Tuesday morning. It is the 26th day of March, and cooler air funneling into the state today after a very busy Monday. A lot of drama, a lot of warnings, and today the cooler air is going to take over for a couple of days and some chilly nights ahead. We'll also look at a warm-up later in the week and another storm system arriving this weekend. And that storm system arriving this weekend could be the first of several from late March into April. I'll show you a little bit of that as well. First, let's get started with this map this morning from the Storm Prediction Center. Busy severe weather day yesterday, 37 severe weather reports, including large hail and damaging winds. And notice how Alabama was clearly in the bullseye, clearly the focus of severe weather yesterday. Fortunately, this time, no tornado warnings. Now, cooler air funneling into the state. The cold front has made it all the way down to Cedar Key this morning, and cooler air back behind it, and a little trough trying to sneak in from the east with maybe a couple of showers. I put in a 20% chance of showers. Your better rain chances near the Georgia-Alabama border later on today. So not a major rain chance. We'll call it breezy, cooler, high around 65 with a slight chance of a shower. Tonight's low chilly, 44. North winds 10 to 16. Add a little bite to the air today. For tomorrow, a chilly start, but a cool day. I think we're in the upper 60s tomorrow. That's too cool for this late in the season. Then a cold start on Thursday morning. We'll be close to the low 40s, possibly near 40, and then a nice recovery Thursday afternoon into the 70s, and a big warm-up Friday afternoon into the upper 70s. I think that's a pretty good day. On Saturday, much of the day will be dry, but there could be some showers and thunderstorms by Saturday evening and Saturday night at some point as a frontal system moves in. Will there be any strong to severe storms with this front? We don't know yet. It doesn't look like a clear-cut severe weather situation, but then again, yesterday didn't look that way several days out either. There's Sunday morning at 7 a.m., and the GFS tries to hold on to some rain chances during the daytime hours Sunday, even behind the front, so we'll continue to watch that. Right now, I've got a high of 67 in for Wednesday, a morning low of 42 on Thursday morning. That's too cold for this time of the year. 72 on Thursday afternoon, upper 70s Friday. Chance of showers by Saturday night into Sunday. Some thunderstorms as well. 76 on Saturday and near 70 on Sunday, and then cooler air after that. On Monday, the GFS tries to bring in a little system and keeps the rain chances in the forecast. In fact, it develops a very strong system by Monday night into Tuesday, April 2nd. That's the GFS. Meanwhile, the other global model, the European, says that storm system will develop, but it will develop well south of us and affect Florida. So what do you believe? You know, this is the GFS showing another system, another wet system on April the 6th. Then you go a few days out on April the 10th. There's another one. So apparently we're going to get into a very busy period of time as March ended and April begins. Very high on the pollen count again today and tomorrow, and still in the high range on Thursday, and pretty high on Friday as well. So no relief yet for the allergy sufferers as the pollen count remains high. So never a dull moment around here as far as weather and active weather. And it looks like we may be looking at some active weather over the next 2 or 3 weeks. Have a great day today. Live on the radio this morning from 6 to 9 on News Talk 93.1. Live on CBS 8 and ABC 32. Ryan Stinn and I talk weather at 5:50 a.m. We have a panel discussion with the entire group at 6:40 a.m. Another video for you first thing tomorrow morning at 4:45 a.m. And your forecast whenever you want it across the dial on the Blue Water family of stations. I'm happy today will be a quieter day. It was busy yesterday. I'll see you later. Have a good one.
Rich Thomas Weather.